Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the microphone flex on the iPhone 13. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. At first, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using pendulum screwdriver. To take out the screen, first apply heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, can use a heat gun or hair dryer. And then, to lift the screen, need a suitable suction cup or something similar. Here, we use a regular suction cup to lift the front assembly. Use the suction cup at the bottom to raise the screen. Gently pull the screen to create a gap to insert a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to free up the rubber gaskets on the frame. This process will take time. Once the screen is free, open the screen to a 90-degree angle from right to the left. Next, undo 3 screws to take out the center shield. And 4 screws to take out the top shield. While pulling out the shields, be gentle with flex cables. Once the shields are free, first disconnect the battery plug and then follow with the LCD connector and earpiece assembly plugs from the logic board. Now can free the screen from the body. Next, take out the not working microphone flex from the body. First, pull out the camera module shield by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect 2 camera connector plugs and pull out the camera module using a pry tool. Next, undo 2 screws to pull out the bracket securing the microphone. Next, disconnect the microphone plug from the board and gently pry the cable from the body. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, undo 3 screws securing the flex cable. Next, gently pry the flex cable. If needed, apply some heat to loosen the adhesive holding the unit. Gently pull out the unit using a pry tool. Next, place the new microphone flex on the body and secure it by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the flex on the body and fasten the connector plug to the logic board. Next, place the camera unit and secure both plugs to the logic board. Next, secure the shield by adding 3 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note that this tape will not completely protect the device against liquid. Next, place the front screen assembly on the body. First, connect the earpiece assembly plug and then the LCD connector plug. And finally, secure the battery plug to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure both shields by adding screws. Next, lock the top section first. Then simultaneously click the sides and the bottom to clamp up the body and the screen. Just make sure to apply pressure on the frame sides. Finally, secure the phone by adding 2 screws to the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.